Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 118 of Building the Batmobile. The final stretch is really happening. We're looking at the Joker's Flying Saucer from February 29th, 1968. A leap year, obviously. That's quite impressive. Yes, the Joker is obviously our main bad guy for that. Is he going to be the bad guy for the final stretch? It feels like he should be. I don't know. He was in the last episode, but it feels like it should be the Joker, doesn't it? It's the one where Batman and Robin face a Martian invasion. So not only the Joker, but Martians as well. Right, we have Batman and the Mad Monk. I've heard of the Mad Monk, but I don't know. Yeah, there we go. Batman's first supernatural encounter reimagined. Okay, there we go. Legendary Tales, Legends of the Dark Knight. The first solo Batman comic book since 1940. Interesting. That's all of that. If you want to pause, zoom in, read all the words, feel free. I'm getting on with the building. We have the parachutes. Did they ever use them? I'm sure they did. We've also got the license plate, which, being that it says Bat1, not really much of a license plate, but there we go. I'm assuming that means that he's insured. Is he insured as Batman or Bruce Wayne? I don't know. Anyway, so we're going to fit these to the chassis outside. We're also going to come back and fit one of the first pieces we've got, the top dome, what does it call it? Just the long section. Don't know what it calls it, but there we go. Tidying the wires and stuff. I shall get to that. And then also from O2, the antenna we fit to the front now, to the body, and that is that almost completed on the outside now. We've got another little antenna to put on the back when we figure that bit out, but they're putting on the more breakable stuff now, so we'll get that done and we'll be there very, very soon. Right, so I've dug out the top section from ages ago, as I have indeed dug out the antenna from ages ago. But first of all, we're going to build our parachutes. We have the inner and outer parachutes. I'm assuming that they molded those and thought that's not good enough. We're going to put a rubber bit around the outside because that's what they've done. So that fits into there with an EP screw. And then we're going to need another EP screw to attach this to the car itself. So let's get 4 EP screws out. Only leaves 1, so that's going to be spare. We'll get these put together first. I'd have thought the rubber would have just sort of fitted on place, but if they want to screw it in place, they can. So there we go. That's that one. Let's do that one as well on there like that, and the screw. Holding that in there. These screws don't really feel like they tighten ever because it's going into rubber, so it's enough to hold it in place. And then that will be going onto the back of our model. They do have an R and an L. This is the L one. So the back is here, and they are going on there with obviously the bit to the top. There's a little hole under there. Goes in there like that, and the EP screw will go through from the inside and hold that in place. So I'll get that done, and then we'll see about fitting that bit, and we'll be done. Right, that's those attached nice and securely to the back there. Then we've got the license plates put in place with that. It's just one piece license plate, it's nice and easy. All of the rest of this is all fitted with AM screws. So let's see if I can rest that over there. Then I can actually get my hands in and do some of this. There we go. Let's get that on there with 2 screws. Nice. There we go. That is that. It feels very finishy touchy. Now, bits like the license plate and things like that are certainly one of the final things to go together. The last stretch seems to have come along very quickly. I've really enjoyed the build and it's looking really nice as a kit. But yeah, it seems to take a lot of time getting started. Anyway, I'm going to do that afterwards. This is the next bit to fit in place. So we need 4 AM screws for that, which I've got there. This is going to fit from the inside. Right, let's see how I'm going to do that. I can't do that really. Let's get that on there like that. There we go. So this is going on there just like that. Quite cool. There's two at the front, there's two at the back to put in as well. I'll get those done because I can't put it down now on the windscreens. And then when that's in place, I've got to take the top off of this, thread that through there, and then that fits in there like that. Then we'll have a look at it from the top and see just how it looks basically finished on the outside. And there we have it. That's the top piece attached there, and this attached on there as well. So that now extends as it should, to show you the bat antenna all on there. So another issue down. Join me very soon for the next penultimate issue of building the 1966 Batman. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for the last part, or the penultimate part. Bye bye for now.